Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 2nd of October 2020 and in this video we are going to see all the important current affairs from 2nd of October 2020. Before starting today's video, we will quickly revise the questions asked in our last video. Our first question was, which of the following day is celebrated as World Rabies Day annually? Answer is 20th September. Who has recently inaugurated a 4-day festival, Destination Northeast 2020? Answer is Amit Shah. He is the Union Home Minister of India. Which bank has recently launched India's first warehouse commodity finance app? Answer is HDFC Bank. Which of the following state governments has recently launched Mukhyamantri Kisan Kalyan Yojana? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Fifth question was, who has been appointed as the new Chief Secretary of West Bengal recently? Answer is Alapan Bandopadhyay. Stephanie Taylor has recently become the only second cricketer to score 3,000 runs in international T20 cricket. She is associated with dash. Answer is West Indies. Who is the author of the book titled Reset: Regaining India's Economic Legacy? Answer is Subramaniam Swamy. Gurpreet Singh Sandhu is associated with which sports? Answer is football. Ninth question was, how many scientists have been awarded by Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Prize 2020? Answer is 14th. And last question was, what will be India's GDP growth rate in the financial year 2020-21 as predicted by NCAER? Answer is minus 12.6%. These were the questions asked in our last video. Now we'll start today's video. Our first question is, which of the following day is celebrated as World Heart Day annually? Answer is option number 2, 29th September. Every year 29th September is celebrated as World Heart Day. It is an initiative by the World Heart Federation and this day is observed in order to spread awareness about cardiovascular diseases including heart disease and stroke. And theme for 2020's World Heart Day was use your heart to beat CUD, that is cardiovascular diseases. Answer will be option number 2. Next, who has been recently appointed as the new fashion brand ambassador of Mantra? Answer is option number 3, Disha Patni. Disha Patni is the Indian actress and recently she has been appointed as the new fashion brand ambassador of Mantra. Mantra is an Indian fashion e-commerce company. It was founded on 2007 and headquarters is in Bengaluru in Karnataka. Next, which state government has launched Buy Road campaign to attract tourists? Answer is option number 4, Odisha. Recently, Odisha state government has launched this new campaign called Buy Road campaign, and in a bid to woo tourists back to Odisha amid the COVID-19 pandemic, the Odisha government has launched Odisha Buy Road campaign through which tourists can explore the state tourist circuit through its network of quality roads as people are less likely to travel by air or train during the pandemic. Answer will be option number 4, Odisha. Odisha, this is Odisha. Capital is Bhubaneswar. Governor is Ganeshi Lal. Chief Minister is Naveen Patnaik. Its legislature has 147 seats. 21 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 10 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from Odisha. It borders with West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Andhra Pradesh, and Mahanadi is the main river of Odisha. Next, which of the following bank has announced to start positive pay mechanism? Answer is option number 1, RBI, that is Reserve Bank of India. To reduce instances of fraud, Reserve Bank of India has introduced a new mechanism known as positive pay for all the checks valued above 50,000 rupees. This system or this mechanism has been introduced to enhance the safety of check payment of value rupees 50,000 or above. Answer will be option number 1, RBI. RBI long form is Reserve Bank of India. It was founded on 1st of April 1935. Headquarters is in Mumbai and currently Governor of RBI is Shaktikant Das. Shaktikant Das is the 25th Governor of RBI. Next question, who has been appointed as the Chairman of Women's National Selection Panel by BCCI recently? Answer is option number 1, Neetu David. Look into the image. This is Neetu David. She is one of the finest women cricketers of India in the late 90s and early 2000s. And recently, BCCI has appointed Neetu David as the chairman of the 5-member Women's National Selection Panel. The other members of the newly elected panels include Mithu Mukherjee, Aarti Vaidya, V. Kalpana and Renu Margaret. Answer will be option number 1, Neetu David. What is BCCI? Long form is Board of Control for Cricket in India. It was established in 1928. Headquarters is in Mumbai and currently President of BCCI is Sourav Ganguly. Next, who has been appointed as the new chairman of TRAI, TRAI recently? Answer is option number 2, PD Waghela. Recently, the appointment committee of the cabinet has appointed senior IAS officer PD Waghela as the new chairman of Telecom Regulatory Authority of India or TRAI. Answer will be option number 2. What is TRAI? Long form is Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. It is a statutory body set up by the Government of India. It is the regulator for all the telecommunication sector in India. It was founded on 20th February 1997 and headquarters is in New Delhi. And now new chairman is P.D. Waghela. Next question. In which city Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated first of its kind Ganga Avlokan Museum recently? Answer is option number 2, Haridwar. Recently, the Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi has inaugurated the first of its kind Ganga Avlokan Museum on River Ganga at Chandighat in Haridwar. It has been established by the National Mission for Clean Ganga, which is the nodal body for implementation of Namami Gange program along with Wildlife Institute of India. Answer will be option number 2. Next question. BSE has signed a MOU with which bank recently to empower the small and medium enterprises? Answer is option number 3, Yes Bank. Recently, BSE, that is Bombay Stock Exchange, has signed an MOU with Yes Bank in order to empower these small and medium enterprises that are listed on the BSE through awareness and knowledge sharing programs. Through this partnership, BSE and Yes Bank will make the small and medium enterprises more competitive and to fast track their growth through solutions that address their business challenges. Answer will be option number 3, Yes Bank. What is BSE? BSE is Indian Stock Exchange located in Mumbai, established in 1875. It is Asia's oldest stock exchange and world's 10th largest stock exchange with an overall market capitalization. And Yes Bank, it is an Indian private sector bank. It was founded in 2004. Headquarters is in Mumbai and currently chairman is Sunil Mehta. Next, what will be India's GDP growth rate in 2020-21 as predicted by ICRA? Answer is option number 3, minus 11%. ICRA is an Indian independent and professional investment information and credit rating agency. It was founded in 1997 and recently ICRA has predicted that India's GDP growth rate in the current financial year will be minus 11%. Answer will be option number 3. Next, which state government has recently signed an MOU with Denmark in water sector? Answer is option number 2, Gujarat. Recently, Gujarat state government has signed an MOU with Denmark in water sector. Gujarat Water Supply and Sewerage Board has signed the MOU with Danish Water Forum through online interactive platform. It has been signed for a 5-year period in order to set up the Indo-Danish Water Technology Alliance in Gujarat and contribute to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Answer will be option number 2, Gujarat. It has been signed with Denmark. Denmark, this is Denmark. Capital is Copenhagen. Prime Minister is Mette Frederiksen and currency of Denmark is Danish krone. This MOU has been signed by Gujarat. Gujarat, look at map. This is Gujarat. It was formed on 1st of May 1916. Capital is Gandhinagar. Governor, it is the 5th largest state by area in India and 9th largest by population in India. Acharya Dev Urutta. Chief Minister is Vijay Rupani. Its legislature has 182 members. 26 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 11 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from Gujarat. It borders with Rajasthan, Dadra Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, Maharashtra and Pakistan. It is the 3rd largest economy in India and Statue of Unity, which is the world largest statue, is also located in Gujarat at one click, which is an initiative for MSME and other bigger industries, has been started by Gujarat state government. Also, Gujarat is the best performing state in annual TB report 2020. Mukhyamantri Kisan Sahay Yojana has been started by Gujarat government. Ashish Bhatia has become the new Director General of Police of Gujarat state, and recently Niti Aayog has released Export Preparedness Index 2020. In this index, Gujarat has become the top state. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as International Translation Day? Answer is option number 3, 13th September. Every year, 13th September is celebrated as International Translation Day. It is celebrated to recognize the contribution of the language professionals toward the developing and strengthening world peace and security and in connecting the nations and facilitating dialogue. Answer will be option number 3, 13th September. And theme for 2020's International Translation Day was Finding the Words for a World in Crisis. Answer will be option number 3. Next, name the project which has been launched by the South Eastern Railway to enhance the security of women passengers. Answer is option number 3, Operation My Saheli. Recently, the South Eastern Railway has launched a project called Operation My Saheli or Friend to enhance the security of women passengers in the train throughout the entire journey from originating point to their destinations? Answer will be option number 3. Now, answer of the question which was asked in last video. Question was, which state government has launched My Family My Responsibility campaign to combat COVID-19? Answer is option number 2, Maharashtra. Recently, the state government of Maharashtra has launched a campaign called My Family My Responsibility to combat COVID-19. Now today's question is, recently Arshpreet Singh Bhullar has been banned for 4 years for failing in doping test by NADA. He is associated with which sports? Options are cricket, football, basketball and tennis. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we will discuss this question in the next video.